score. Imagine this for a second. You wake up in the morning, check your phone, and while you were sleeping, an AI planned a full vacation for someone on the other side of the world. Flights, hotels, daily itinerary, food spots, local experiences, all done. And the best part, you got paid for it. You didn't talk to airlines. You didn't call hotels. You didn't even leave your house. This is not some future idea or tech fantasy. This is happening right now, and people are quietly turning AI travel planning into a real online income stream. If you've ever searched for ways to make money online, if you love travel, or even if you've never traveled much at all, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see how AI travel planning services can become a powerful side hustle, and in some cases, even a full-time business. Before we go deep, let me say this clearly. This is not about becoming a travel agent in the old-school way. No certifications, no expensive software, no boring paperwork. This is about using AI tools smartly, packaging value, and selling convenience to people who are already desperate for it. Travel planning today is stressful. Too many options, too many reviews, too many fake recommendations. People don't want to plan anymore. They want someone or something to just handle it for them. That's where you step in, powered by AI. If this kind of smart online income excites you, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel right now. It really helps the AI side hustle grow, and it tells YouTube to show you more content like this. We talk a lot about practical AI income ideas here, so don't miss out. Now, let me tell you a short story. A few months ago, I came across someone who was charging $75 to $150 per trip just to plan vacations. Not luxury travel consulting. Not corporate travel. Just normal people going to places like New York, Paris, Dubai, Bali, or even weekend trips inside the US. When I looked deeper, I realized something shocking. Almost 80% of the work was being done by AI. The human part was simply organizing, personalizing, and presenting the plan nicely. That's when it clicked. This is not about working harder. This is about working smarter. So what exactly are AI travel planning services? In simple words, you use AI tools to create personalized travel plans for clients. These plans include flight suggestions, hotel options, day-by-day itineraries, activities, food recommendations, transport tips, and even budget breakdowns. You then deliver this as a clean, easy-to travel guide. People pay because it saves them hours, removes stress, and feels customized just for them. Here's the interesting part. Most people think travelers only care about cheap prices. That's not true. What they really care about is clarity and confidence. They want to know they're making the right choices. AI helps you give them that feeling. Fast. You might be thinking, why would someone pay me if they can just use AI themselves? This is one of the biggest misunderstandings. People don't want tools. They want results. Most people don't know how to ask the right questions, how to compare options, or how to organize everything into a smooth plan. Don't want to talk to AI for 2 hours. They want a finished plan they can trust. That's why this works. Now let's break down how this becomes a side hustle step by step, in a way that feels realistic and doable. First, you don't need to be a travel expert. You don't need to have visited 20 countries. AI handles research better than any human ever could. Your job is to guide it, refine the output, and add a human touch. Think of yourself as a travel curator, not a travel agent. 2. Start by choosing the type of travel you want to focus on. This is important. When you focus, you earn faster. For example, weekend city trips in the US, honeymoon trips, budget backpacking trips, luxury vacations, family travel with kids, solo female travel, or digital nomad travel. Each one has a different audience and different pricing power. Once you pick a niche, you create a simple offer. Something like, I will create a personalized 5-day travel itinerary based on your budget, interests, and travel style. That's it. Simple, clear, valuable. Now let's talk about the AI side. This is where things get powerful. You use AI to ask very detailed prompts. You tell it the destination, number of days, budget range, travel style, food preferences, and activity level. You can even ask it to avoid tourist traps and focus on local experiences. The output you get is already better than most blog posts online. But you don't just copy and paste. You refine it. You check timing. You adjust pacing. You make it sound natural. You turn it into a story of a journey, not just a list of places. This is where your value multiplies. Let me give you an example. Instead of saying visit Central Park, you say start your morning with a relaxed walk through Central Park. Grab coffee near Bethesda Terrace and enjoy the calm before the city fully wakes up. See the difference? Same information, but now it feels personal. You can package this plan as a PDF, a Google Doc, or even a Notion page. Clean layout, simple language, and clear structure. Clients love clarity more than fancy design. Now let's talk about money, because that's what really matters. Beginners usually start charging between $30 to $50 per trip. As you gain confidence and testimonials, this quickly goes to $100 or more. Some planners charge extra for add-ons like restaurant bookings, packing lists, or real-time itinerary changes. Think about this. If one plan takes you about 60 to 90 minutes to create, and you charge $75, that's already a solid side income. With practice, you'll finish faster, and AI will do more of the heavy lifting. You don't need a website in the beginning. You can start on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Etsy, or even Instagram. Etsy is surprisingly powerful for this. People already go there to buy digital travel planners. You just make yours custom. On Instagram or TikTok, you can post short videos like I planned a 5-day Paris trip using AI in 20 minutes. Or this is how AI builds perfect travel itineraries. These videos attract exactly the kind of people who will pay you. Now let's talk about retention, because this is where most people fail. They think one plan is enough. Smart planners think long-term. You can offer follow-up support, travel updates, or future trip discounts. You can even create a monthly travel inspiration newsletter powered by AI and upsell planning services. Another powerful idea is targeting busy professionals. People with money but no time. They hate planning. They love outsourcing. AI helps you serve them faster without burnout. You might worry about competition. Don't. Most people still don't trust AI enough to use it alone. They trust a human using AI for them. That's the sweet spot. Let's talk about mistakes to avoid. The biggest one is overcomplicating things. You don't need 20 tools. 1 or 2 AI tools, good prompts, and clear communication is enough. Another mistake is trying to serve everyone. Pick a niche, own it. Also, don't undersell yourself for too long. If people are happy and coming back, raise your prices slowly. Confidence matters. Now imagine scaling this. You create templates, you reuse prompts, you build a system. What once took 90 minutes now takes 30. That's how this turns from a side hustle into something bigger. Some people even turn this into content. YouTube videos, blogs, or guides. That's how AI side hustle grew as well, by sharing practical, real-world AI income ideas instead of hype. We're living in a time where travel is exploding again, but attention spans are shrinking. People want simple solutions. You can be that solution, powered by AI. If you're still watching this, it means something clicked for you, and I want to hear from you. Near the end of this video, drop a comment telling me which type of travel planning you'd love to do. Weekend trips, luxury, budget, solo, family, or something else. Your comments help the community and help the channel grow. Also, share this video with someone who loves travel or is looking for a smart side hustle. You never know, this could be the idea that changes their path. AI travel planning services are not about replacing humans, they're about upgrading humans. You plus AI is a powerful combination. And the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Thank you for spending your time here with AI Side Hustle. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you in the next video where we break down another practical way to turn AI into real income.